Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to send Discord channel message for FlexiFunnels form submission. So here I've created a form in FlexiFunnels, and in this case I want whenever a new form submission is made, automatically a new notification should be sent to my team on my Discord channel. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be FlexiFunnels and our action application will be Discord. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send a Discord channel message on new FlexiFunnels form submission. So here in this case, I want whenever a new form submission is made in my FlexiFunnels form, automatically a new notification should be sent on my Discord channel to my team. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send Discord channel message for FlexiFunnels form submission. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name send Discord channel message for FlexiFunnels form submission. And here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as FlexiFunnels and my trigger event as new form submission. And here you can see we have received the webhook URL. That means we will use this webhook URL to connect our FlexiFunnels form with Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And now following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my FlexiFunnels account. From here I'm going to select the form, and from here I'm going to click on project settings. Now here under project settings, I'm going to select PC integration, and from here I'm going to click on this edit page. Scrolling down, here I'm going to select the form element, and from here I'm going to click on the settings. And from here, I'm going to select the settings again. Now under advanced settings, I'm going to select connect here. And now here under integrations, I'm going to select webhook. And here you can see it is asking for webhook name and webhook URL. So here I'm going to remove this existing webhook URL. And now I'm going to enter the new webhook URL. Here I'm going to give a name to my webhook, that is Discord channel message. And now I'm going to click on this save. And then I'm going to click on this save again. After saving the webhook URL, I'm going to click on this publish. After publishing the page, here I'm going to click on this action, and from here I'm going to click on published URL. So this is the form which I have created. Moving back to Pabbly window. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we need to submit a response in our FlexiFunnels form. So for that, let me take you to my FlexiFunnels form. Here I'm going to enter a dummy data and do a test submission. So for the first name, here I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy123@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number. And now I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says your data successfully saved. So now let's move back to Pabbly window. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received the phone number, last name, first name, and email. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as Discord. and my action event as send channel message HTML. And now to connect my Discord with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Moving forward, now after getting successfully connected, here it is asking for webhook URL. And in instructions it says enter your webhook URL, follow these steps to get webhook URL from your Discord account. So here I'm going to open this. And here you can see it has given the steps to get our webhook URL from Discord account. So here I have already logged in my Discord account. From here I'm going to click on this PMTC. And from here I'm going to select server settings. From here I'm going to select integrations. And under integrations, I'm going to click on this view webhooks. Here you can see all the channels which I have created. So here I'm going to select my desired channel, which is named as new leads. And here you can see I have received the option of copy webhook URL. So here I'm going to click on this. Now after copying the webhook URL, moving back to Pabbly window, here I'm going to enter the webhook URL. Moving forward, and now here it is asking for the message. So here I need to enter the message which I want to send on my Discord channel to my team. So this is the message which I want to send, which says, hello team, we have received a new lead from FlexiFunnels form and these are the details. That is name, email, phone number, and then it says make sure that we don't miss this lead and we can connect with this lead as soon as possible. So here I've left the name, email and phone number value as blank because here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my FlexiFunnels form submission. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever a new form submission is made in our FlexiFunnels account, automatically this previously existing details will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the name, first name space last name. Here I'm going to map the email and here I'm going to map the phone number. So here I've mapped all the data and now moving forward. Here for the bot name, here I'm going to enter the name as new lead received. Here I'm going to leave this bot icon field blank because I don't want to enter any of the data. Moving forward. And here for the text to speech, I'm going to select disable. Now after entering all the data, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Discord channel. And here you can see we have received a new notification where it says, hello team, we have received a new lead from FlexiFunnels form and these are the details. Name as dummy user, email as dummy123@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number, and then it says make sure that we don't miss this lead. We can connect with this lead as soon as possible. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to submit another form response in our FlexiFunnels account. And for that, let me take you back to my FlexiFunnels form. So here I'm going to enter another dummy data and do a test submission. So for the first name, here I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test123@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number, and now I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says your data successfully saved. So now let's go and check our Discord channel again. And here you can see we have received another message which says, hello team, we have received a new lead from FlexiFunnels form and these are the details. Name as test user, email as test123@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number, and then it says make sure that we don't miss this lead and we can connect with this lead as soon as possible. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as FlexiFunnels and an action as Discord, so that whenever a new form submission is made in our FlexiFunnels account, automatically a new notification should be sent to my team on my Discord channel. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clue link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.